Does your interactive quiz or calculator look bland and off-brand? Here's the problem. Most interactive tools start plain. If your fonts, colors, and images don't align with your brand, you risk losing trust and clicks. A poorly designed quiz can feel out of place on your website, whether that's Webflow, WordPress, or Shopify. In this video, I'll show you how to use Outgrow's design polish themes, fonts, and images to turn a basic widget into a branded, conversion-driving experience. Here's what good looks like: clean themes, on-brand fonts, and eye-catching visuals that match your website. With Outgrow, you don't need a designer or code, just a few clicks, and your quiz or calculator looks professional, fast, and ready to convert. Start with themes. Outgrow offers ready-made themes optimized for speed and mobile responsiveness. Select a light, dark, or minimal style, or create your own custom look. Next, fonts. Outgrow lets you choose from Google fonts and apply them across headlines, body text, and buttons. Consistent typography builds trust and brand recall. Notice the difference? A clean, bold font instantly makes your quiz look polished and professional. Finally, images. Use Outgrow's built-in library or upload your own. Add background photos, product visuals, or icons to each question. Images grab attention and improve engagement. In fact, Outgrow users who added visuals saw engagement rates jump by up to 35%. Preview your design in real time, then embed it seamlessly into your site, whether that's WordPress, Webflow, or Shopify. And because Outgrow optimizes for site speed, your polished quiz will not slow down your pages. Some Outgrow client redesigned their quiz with branded fonts and visuals. The result? A 26% increase in lead conversions within the first month. Ready to give your quiz or calculator a design upgrade? Sign up on Outgrow Code today and start polishing your interactive content with no code needed.